FBI, DEA seek 90-day extension to release investigative files on President Tinubu. My dear listeners, we are at it again as the FBI DEA seek another 90-day extension to release investigative files on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Moving on to the full details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. The Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) and the Drug Enforcement Administration (DEA) have jointly requested a 90-day extension to complete their search for the investigative records relating to Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The U.S. law enforcement agencies say they expect to submit their findings by July 31, despite a previous court-ordered deadline of May 2. The request follows a Freedom of Information Act (FOIA) lawsuit filed by U.S. citizen and transparency advocate Aaron Greenspan. He is seeking documents connected to an alleged 1990s drug investigation in which President Tinubu was reportedly implicated. In a ruling on April 8, Judge Beryl Howell of the United States District Court for the District of Columbia dismissed the agency's attempt to invoke a glomerular response, a legal strategy that would have allowed them to neither confirm nor deny the existence of relevant records. The judge found the argument for non-disclosure unconvincing and ordered the agencies to proceed with the search. Greenspan, however, has objected to the 90-day extension, proposing instead that the agencies be given no more than 14 additional days to comply with the court's order. Despite the objection, a joint status report filed by U.S. Attorney Edward Martin Jr. and Assistant Attorney M.G. Littman confirms the agencies have begun their search and estimate it will take 3 more months to locate and reveal a responsive, non-exempt records. The statements read, based on the years-long delay already caused by defendant and the fact that many responsive documents have already been identified, plaintiff proposes that the FBI and DEA complete their searches and productions by next week, or at least that the FBI and DEA produce unredacted versions of already identified documents by next week and the remainder of production in 14 days. Defendants provide no rationale whatsoever as to why their search for documents should take 90 days. Plaintiff intends to request is cost, the filing fee of $402 and $38.22 for certified mail postage for a total of $440.22. Defendants propose that the parties submit a joint status report on or before July 31, 2025, to apprise the court as to the status of the case following the agency's search for responsive, non-exempt, reasonable, segregable portions of records requested by plaintiffs. Plaintiff proposes that they submit a joint status report on or before May 31, 2025. My dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news.